What are some early signs you might need cervical surgery? I bet a lot of you have been walking around at some point in your life rubbing yourself right here. And you all say, I pulled a muscle. It's not a muscle. It's never a muscle. Rarely a muscle. It's usually a disc bulge in the neck, irritating a nerve, and whenever you do that, it refers right there. And that's an early sign of a little nerve irritation, likely from a disc bulge. That doesn't mean you need surgery, but it's an early sign that potentially you might start be getting some disc problems. Remember, disc problems are genetic, mostly. People say, what did you do to have all these surgeries, Dr. Lanman? I'm like, I was a swimmer. I didn't do anything. This is genetics. So you can't beat your genetics. You can't outrun a bad diet. An early sign might just be shoulder blade pain, maybe some numbness or tingling.